Howdy y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hummus. And if you don't know what it is, go look it up and you're going to love it. If you do know what it is, good luck with this one. This is my recipe, handed down to me from my mother. And it's really tasty. So let's get into it. All right, so you're going to need 1 can of garbanzo beans, 1 lemon, and some garlic. And that's it. Now the recipe calls for the juice of half a lemon, but I like lemon, so does my wife, so we're gonna use the whole lemon. And 1 piece of garlic, 1 clove. I love garlic, I'm using the whole thing. Whole lemon. We are gonna put it all in the blender and blend it. And when you drain the garbanzo beans, keep the juice. Do not get rid of the juice. So we're gonna use that to thin it out if we need to. You don't wanna use water. You can use water, but it's much better, tastier with the actual juice of the garbanzo beans. All right, I'll be right back. There we go, whole lemon. Empty the, ooh, we can't do it that way. I will be right back. There we go. Garbanzo beans drained. Okay, so pretty simple. All we're gonna do, empty our garbanzo beans. Yes, that's kind of loud. You know, I almost forgot the 2 most important ingredients. All right, you're gonna need tahini and some salt. All right. So, this is the brand we use. Joyva, you can use whatever you like. I know my mom and cousins like the Beirut brand. This is good stuff, it works. And salt. Now, this is what we use. You can use Celtic salt, you can use Himalayan salt. Don't use normal white salt. That stuff's so bad for you. Get this stuff, or one of the more natural salts. Okay, so here we go. Got our salt, tahini, garlic, garbanzo beans. Save the oil, or I'm sorry, save the liquid. Got a whole lemon in here. Now keep in mind, these are all guidelines, right? So the recipe calls for the juice of half a lemon and 1 clove of garlic. But if you like garlic, use more garlic. If you like lemon, use more lemon. That's what we do. So, but start with what it's called for and then add. Once it's blended, you can keep adding stuff till you like the taste. So yeah, so let's get into it. We are going to add it all and we are going to blend it. And we'll come back for the goodness. So here we go, we got 3 tablespoons of tahini sauce. Tahini sauce, whatever you want to call it. So we've got our 3, we have 3 tablespoons in there, all right? We are going to add our lemon juice and the garlic. Boom. All right, now we've got 5 or 6 cloves, and then just a little bit of salt, not too much. You can always add more later. Now, blend it, cover it up. If y'all don't have one of these, a Vitamix, whatever it's called. We just started using it a few years ago, and it is freaking awesome. We use it for everything. Now, if you like it chunky, that might be good for you. If you like it nice and smooth, keep on going. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's finished. Now, I didn't use any extra of the garbanzo bean liquid. This is just straight beans and the other ingredients I told you to add. I didn't use any of that. It's still sitting there, and this is a great, great consistency. And that's good. That is yummy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Now, before I end this, there's a lot of stuff you can put in hummus. You could put chili in there, jalapenos, hot peppers, to bring out some more flavor and make it more spicy. I know people put cilantro in there to give that cilantro flavor. So you can do pretty much anything with this. And here's the thing, here's the best part. You could buy hummus in the store. I have a cousin that owned a restaurant out in Baltimore, and on his shirt, the slogan was, "Friends don't let friends buy store-bought hummus." So true. You need to make it yourself. It's easy, very inexpensive. What does a lemon cost? Lemon, tahini, garbanzo beans, some salt, and lemon. What did I forget? That's it. Garbanzo beans, salt, lemon. Yeah. So I don't know, $3 or $4, maybe $2 to make this whole thing. This will last us for a week. We have a couple more cans. I might make some more. But anyway, that is how you make hummus. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.